What's up, y'all? Terry Warfield, man. Hope you're having a good day so far. You already know the drift. This is the first time on my channel. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, make sure you drop a hashtag up in here in the comments so I know you're up in here. So here we are today, vlog number 2. And I took the day off work today just because I wasn't on it this morning. But I've been kind of like in this funk, man. The last couple days, I just been in this funk. I haven't been motivated. I've been sick. I mean, that's probably a huge factor. Been real sick. Haven't been motivated. Money just not coming in how I want it to come in, man. Just everything. I just feel like the world haven't been being kind to me these last couple days. So today, gotta go to the gym. I definitely gotta hit the gym because I'm losing weight. Haven't been eating, haven't been working out. And I'm gonna go try to find me some motivation today. I don't know where I'm gonna find it, but that's the plan. So without further ado, episode 2. All right, so I'm back at home. Took me a little stroll up the street. Let's go see what they're doing. Macho? Sir? Hello, wife.
Hey.
What you doing? Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting tape.
In other words, getting in trouble.
What?
Let's go in. What happened?
It broke.
It broke.
Someone broke it.
Who broke it?
I don't know.
Talia, you're about to be late for school. Stop.
Daddy.
How are you gonna do gym in a dress?
Because
Because what?
I like it.
All right, so now that Talia has stopped yelling, she's not happy because she can't wear a dress to school today.
She can wear it tomorrow.
She can wear it tomorrow, but she ain't wearing it today. She's not happy. Focus on the street, please. All right, so we just dropped Leah off to school, man, and she wasn't happy. But I wanted to get back to what I talked about earlier in the video. Kind of put some perspective to it, man. Just because I said we kind of going through a little rough patch right now, that does not mean that I'm not happy. And I don't want anybody to get that misconstrued. Just because things are hard in my life or your life or whoever's life it is, doesn't mean that they're not happy. So the last couple months for us have been a little tight when it comes to money. Like I did tell her, you know, I really don't want you to work. I would rather you be at home with the kids, which also said, you know, I'm gonna start working harder, which I have been. I've been really busting my tail, but the money hasn't been coming how I wanted to, and that's all good. Just gotta work harder. But that's more so the reason because she back in school, and you know, we kind of doing everything off of you know, almost one income and a few side hustles. So sometimes when I'm going through these funks, and it's not really like a creative funk, even though it is a creative funk, it's more so like just the overall funk. I'm just not feeling everything right now. What I like to do is come to this park that's around the corner from my house. It's a dope park. Not a lot of people here. The scenery is beautiful. Check it out real quick. But yeah, so what I like to do is come here to kind of clear my head, man. It's always quiet here. It's a view over the lake. And I really, really enjoy coming here when I need to reflect, when I need some alone time. And I want to encourage y'all to change your mindset when it comes to your bad situations. Yeah, I'm going through it right now. I'm in my world, I'm going through it. Somebody else might look at it like he ain't really going through it, but to me, I'm going through it. And sometimes all it is a simple change in mentality that you need to continue pushing you forward on the path you were already on. And it's something so simple like waking up in the morning, and instead of thinking about like, man, I don't got a lot of money, start thinking about the other side of that table. Well, my car's in the driveway, there's gas in it, my cell phone ain't disconnected, I got food in the refrigerator, you know, and the list goes on. Sometimes all it takes is just a small change in your mentality to put you back on that path you was already on and to propel you forward. So that's what I'm trying to do. The other thing I'm trying to encourage y'all to do is to find light in dark situations. I've become a master at this. Some people will, some people don't realize that even when it's dark, it's always light somewhere. It's always light coming. It's always a source of light somewhere. And I challenge you to start finding that. So again, change your mindset. That's how you find the light of dark situations, yo. Change your mindset. Change the way you think. Start looking at everything from an opportunistic perspective instead of a pessimist perspective. Like, it's taken a long time for me to develop my mentality and then always looking out for the positive in every scenario. It's not easy. It's definitely a skill, something you need to learn, something you need to practice, but it is attainable. And I guarantee you, if you could change your mindset and always put the positives first, then things will start to work out for you. You might be surprised at how just the changing of your thinking can change the outcome of a whole lot of things in your life. I truly believe that. If you start thinking positive, you seek positive. And I'm not trying to sound like some infomercial or nothing like that. That is the truth, man. If you think positive, you will seek positive. Maybe you don't realize you're doing it. It's subconscious, but it's just like when you think negative, what happens? Negative stuff keeps happening to you because that's what you subconsciously focus on. So change your mindset. I don't care what you got to do. So do what I do sometimes if you can't seem to snap out of this funk. And this is what I'm doing right now. I'm doing all the things right now that help me snap out of funk. I got to go get to the gym, but first I got to get to the grocery store. I'm telling you, today I'm changing it. I'm getting back into my groove, and that's what we about to do. Boom. Looks like we have arrived at Save-A-Lot. If it's one thing I hate to do, definitely grocery shopping. I hate grocery shopping. So I gotta go in here, grab some stuff for dinner, grab some stuff for the next day or two. Then it is off to the gym. And then I think that's gonna be about it. But stay positive, let's do it.